content is a large part of your everyday life. It's hard to avoid, but why would you want to? Content keep us informed, answer your questions, interact us, makes us smile, guides, or deconize and more. Content help your attack, engage and delegate proposal, and customers bring new visitor to your site, and alternative general remover for your company. In other words, if you are not creating content, then you are being the cover. Content creation is the process of generation topic idea that apply to your buyer's proposal, creation, writing or virtual content around those ideas, and making that information access accessible to your advertising as a blog, video, informative or other format. Content creation is the utilized in bonded marketing purposes. When you create content, you are providing free and useful information to your audience, attracting protocol customer to your website, and retaining existing customer through quality engagement. You are also generating some major role for your company. As this content marketing starts demonstrate content marketing being in 3x as many lands or traditional marketing, and cost 62%. SMB that use content marketing get 126% more land than those competition that publish 60% blog post per month get 3.5x more traffic than those that post for your post for month. Content equal business grow. So let get started with the type of content you can create, and then review your content strongly. One type of content creation is blog post.